Welcome to this course on security analysis and portfolio management. This is being brought to you by IIT Roorkee under the NPTEL program of the Government of India. The course is relevant for students who are pursuing the MBA program. In fact, this course is a traditional elective that is offered by business schools almost all over the world. Then its course is also relevant for students who are pursuing the Chartered Financial Analyst program, who are students of Chartered Accountancy, Cost Accountancy, Company Secretaryship, as well as students who are pursuing undergraduation or graduation in commerce and management. The course invites widespread recognition across the entire spectrum of financial services industry, be it banks, investment institutions, brokers, exchanges, commodity exchanges, regulatory bodies, and all such similar organizations employ people with the expertise in this particular course. Talking about the content is segregated into two parts, as in fact its name signifies: security analysis and portfolio management. In financial parlance, we describe a security as a tradable financial instrument, and therefore when we talk about security analysis, we are talking about that discipline whereby we use mathematical models and methods to arrive at the investor centric evaluation of a security, that is based on the investor's perceptions and the investor's risk return trade off, so that he can compare that value with the prevailing or the current market price and identify underpriced and overpriced securities, thereby facilitating optimal investment decisions. The portfolio management component deals with constructing combinations of securities, whether it be bonds or equities, in such form, in such manner as to be optimal in relation to the risk return trade-offs of the investor. This is broadly the content of the course. The course is being offered on the NPTEL program, so it is compatible with the standard NPTEL protocol. It's a 12-week course with assignments at the end of every week and followed by a final exam. There will be 30 lecture hours. You will be provided with PPTs and supplementary notes wherever required. The USP of this course, well, I propose to bring to you a holistic package of knowledge in relation to this discipline that will include not only the video lectures but also the mathematical backup material, supplementary notes, detailed PPTs and work through problems, and also of course the standard weekly assignments envisaged in the NPTEL protocol. So I look forward to welcoming you at the commencement of the course. Thank you.